Have you ever wondered what it's like to stay at the Bellagio in Las Vegas? Stay tuned on this edition of Traveling Joe. Hello everybody, it's Traveling Joe, and today we're going to take a tour of the Bellagio in Las Vegas, Nevada. The Bellagio, which is operated by MGM Resorts, is one of the most recognizable hotels in Las Vegas. It is noted for its fountains and world-class restaurants and amenities. If you're enjoying the video, please make sure to like and subscribe to the channel and ring the notification bell. We've got a lot to cover, so let's get started. Our first stop is the lobby at Bellagio. This is definitely one of the most beautiful and elegant lobbies you'll ever see. Over 2,000 beautiful glass flowers hover over the lobby ceiling. Known as Fiori di Como, it is an interpretation of Italian flowers in the spring. Check-in time is 3 p.m. and check-out is 11 a.m. I was able to check in early with mobile check-in, and I could bypass the line. With mobile check-in, you'll receive a text once your room is ready. And you can use your cell phone as your room key if you wish. My room was located on the 6th floor of the Spa Tower. The Spa Tower is the smaller tower located just south of the main tower. It is close to the Aria tramcar and the convention halls, but it is a little walk to the casino. The Spa Tower features 819 rooms as well as 104 suites. The room was welcoming and elegant. The room featured a large king-size bed and had crown molding throughout. There was also a bench located at the foot of the bed. The room was large and spacious, so I never felt cramped. The room also features a sitting area with 2 comfortable chairs. You can also remotely close your drapes, which is a nice touch. In addition, there was a desk and chair, a flat screen TV, and a large dresser that featured a minibar. The prices for the minibar items can be found through your TV, but be prepared, it is not cheap. In the closet you'll find your hangers, your ironing board, luggage rack, and a couple of robes. And while most hotels have their indoor safes in the closet, the safe here is located in your nightstand. The bathroom is very spacious with a large glass walk-in shower. The large vanity featured 2 separate sinks as well as a mirror with built-in lighting. And it also featured a large soaking tub. From my room, I had a good view of the Paris and the Planet Hollywood on the Las Vegas Strip. Now let's head down and check out the pool complex. The massive pool deck features 5 distinctive pool courtyard settings. The Bellagio pools offer a luxurious setting to lounge and enjoy the water. The pool area features a relaxing Mediterranean atmosphere and is a welcome retreat from the Strip. This is a more tranquil and relaxing scene as compared to many of the other pools in Las Vegas. In addition to taking a dip in the pools, this is just a nice place to wander around and enjoy the beautiful scenery. Towels are supplied upon entry into the pool complex. You'll need your room key for entry, and the pool is only available to hotel guests. The pool area is large enough that there are plenty of lounge chairs and umbrellas to go around. Personal cabanas are available for rent, and they include lounge chairs and bar service. Day beds are also available for rent. The pool cafe and bar offers a wide selection of fresh food, sweets, desserts, and cocktails. The menu includes wraps, muffins, and seasonal fruits. Our next stop is the Bellagio Casino. At 156,000 square feet, The Bellagio Casino is one of the largest casinos in Las Vegas. The casino features over 2,300 slot machines. There are also numerous table games including blackjack, roulette, craps, baccarat, pai-gow poker, and more. And there's also a high-limit slot machine area. The casino is also home to a popular poker room, and it's not uncommon to see a poker pro every now and then. Now let's take a look at some of the attractions at the Bellagio. Just off the casino floor, you'll find the O Theater, which is home to Cirque du Soleil's O. The show, which is celebrating its 25th anniversary, is one of the most popular shows in Vegas. There's also a retail store right next to the theater where you can buy official merchandise. The Bellagio Gallery of Fine Art is a large exhibition space and is currently featuring In Bloom. One of the most popular attractions at the Bellagio is the Conservatory, which is located just off the lobby. Be sure to stay tuned to the end of the video where I'll have a special presentation of the Conservatory. Of course, the most popular attraction at the Bellagio are the iconic Bellagio fountains. This is definitely one of Vegas's most popular attractions, and you should see them at least once. The show takes place in a man-made lake in front of the resort. The shows feature various musical performances, and they are routinely ranked among the list of the most Instagram places in the United States. And while the fountains are beautiful during the day, they're absolutely spectacular at night. The show uses 1,214 water nozzles and has 4,792 lights, and the fountains shoot as high as 460 feet. On weekdays, the fountain display is every 30 minutes from 3 p.m. to 6:30 p.m. and every 15 minutes from 7 p.m. to midnight. And on Saturday, Sunday, and holidays, the fountain display is every 30 minutes from noon to 6:30 p.m. and every 15 minutes from 7 p.m. to midnight. The shows are free for all visitors. The Bellagio is home to some of the finest restaurants on the Strip. Spago by Wolfgang Puck features signature California fare and is open for lunch and dinner. Prime Steakhouse is steakhouse dining at its finest, with award-winning steaks, seafood, and selected wines. There are several restaurants located right on the casino floor, including Lago by Julian Serrano. This Italian restaurant features an array of freshly made pastas. They offer a distinctive a la carte lunch and dinner menu, and an expansive selection of Italian wines. Yellowtail Japanese Restaurant and Lounge offers traditional as well as modern Japanese cuisine. The restaurant is open for dinner daily from 5 p.m. Le Cirque offers exquisite French cuisine and is a perennial winner of the AAA 5 Diamond Award. The Mayfair Supper Club offers contemporary American cuisine. The restaurant is inspired by top supper clubs around the world. And on Friday and Saturday nights after 11 p.m., the venue converts to a late-night lounge known as Mayfair After Dark. Jasmine Cantonese Cuisine specializes in Cantonese, Szechuan, and Hunan cuisine. The restaurant features authentic and replicated Chinese art and is open from 5 p.m. to 10 p.m. Wednesday through Sunday. The buffet at Bellagio features the best dishes from around the world, as well as desserts and a personalized gelato stand. Snacks offers pizza, wings, burgers, and is open 24 hours a day. Sadel's, located by the Conservatory, serves the best brunch in Vegas. And right next door is Michael Mina, seafood restaurant focusing on refined coastal cuisine. Just past the Conservatory, you'll find the Bellagio Patisserie. Here you'll find a wide collection of chocolates, cookies, crepes, cakes, and more. And while you're there, don't forget to check out the giant chocolate fountain. And finally, all the way in the back, you'll find Harvest. Harvest offers American cuisine in a fine dining, relaxed atmosphere. There are a number of bars and lounges located throughout the Bellagio. Club Privé is a high-limit lounge that offers a bar with a rich whiskey program. Lily Bar and Lounge is a sophisticated lounge right on the casino floor. Pedrosian Bar is located right outside the lobby and offers live piano sounds. If you want to catch the game and have some drinks, head over to the Sports Bar, located next to Snacks Restaurant. If you're looking to go shopping, the Bellagio offers some of the best luxury shopping in Las Vegas. Located at the north end of the resort is Via Bellagio. The area features a spacious walkway with high ceiling windows. The architecture here is elegant. This is the place to go if you're looking for high-end shopping. All of the top luxury retailers are here. Among them are Harry Winston, Dior, Chanel, Tiffany & Company, Louis Vuitton, and more. There's another shopping area located near the lobby and conservatory. This area also offers many well-known retail shops. Some of the stores include Valentino, Cartier, and Omega. You'll also find Guerlain and Giardini Home Store. There are a number of amenities and services available at the Bellagio. The spa and salon is critically acclaimed as a Forbes Travel Guide 4-star spa and salon. Some of the services include massages, facials, hair salon, barber, nails, and more. The state-of-the-art fitness center offers free weights, ellipticals, treadmills, and bikes. The concierge service is located in the lobby and can assist with dinner reservations, show reservations, transportation, spa appointments, and more. Valet parking is available for $35 weekdays and $40 weekends, and 24-hour self-parking is available for $18 weekdays, $23 weekends. Self-parking is complimentary for MGM Reward members with a level of Pearl or higher. There's also a rental car service near the Bell Desk. Located at the rear of the property is the tram station. The Aria Express runs from the Bellagio to the Aria and Park MGM with a stop at the Shops at Crystals. The service is free of charge. Well, it's nearly time to go, but before we do, I prepared a special presentation. Here's a closer look at the conservatory featuring the Spring Garden of Love. Enjoy, everyone.